Hi guys, it's Mrs. Ingalls. I just want to do a quick update with you guys. Sorry about all the confusion today with SAQs. Thank you for letting me know on Remind pretty quickly what your issues are so I can fix them. Um, I tried to make the word limit about what a normal SAQ is because remember you only have that one piece of paper that you can write on. We'll find out from the College Board tomorrow more about what that's going to look like, but I figured 1,200 characters is what I finally changed to, which is about 200 words, which is actually probably a bit more than you would have on a handwritten piece of paper for most of you guys. So anyway, I hope that helps. Make sure for your SAQs you label them A, B, and C for each section. I am attending a webinar Thursday night with the president of the College Board who is telling us what in the world to be expected on the AP exam, what the format is, what it's going to look like, all that good stuff. So I will let you know on Friday. I'm trying to think. I'll probably set up a meeting, just an online little conference again, like we did last time on Monday. When we know more, I'll send it an email probably on Friday with the expectations of the College Board. Again, we're assuming it's going to be SAQs. We don't know. If it's going to be an LEQ, we'll ditch SAQs, and from here on out, we'll do LEQs. So we'll find out on Friday for you guys, Thursday night for me, what that looks like. So if you're having any issues, please let me know. I am so sorry. This is so confusing, guys. I can tell and feel the frustration as you guys are like getting locked out of things and Schoology is not working. James, my stepson today, I know he had issues getting into Schoology for his class. Like we had to alternate to math workbooks I have because it just wasn't working for about 30 or 40 minutes. So please bear with it. Lunchtime's probably better, by the way, if you're trying to start on something or in the middle of the night. Some of you guys are night owls and you're just probably not seeing the same amount of workload on there. So anyway, I do want you guys to join groups with each other. I'm not going to force groups, but I'd like you. I think it's really smart to say, hey, do you want to talk? If you guys would like me to join one of your meetings on Zoom, Teams Meet, whatever it is, just let me know and I can join in on that video conference and answer questions for you guys. We're going to start reviewing next week, Unit 1 and 2, so 1,200 to 1,450. We're going to do them both together since it's pretty short and concise, Unit 2 especially. And so we'll do that next week. And again, then we'll know by that point what type of essay you guys have, and we'll use that going forward. I love you guys. Let me know if you have any questions or need any extra support. It's a crazy world, but I think we're going to make it through this. Actually, I know we're going to make it through this. I know you as AP students are going to make it through it just fine. This is going to be hopefully a good experience for you on the AP exam. So love you guys. Bye.